Another day, another story. Hello there. I am your financial navigator, and today we are discussing such an important topic that hits close to home for many of us: how to get debt-free. Debt can be a heavy burden, but with the right strategies and a focused mindset, you can break free from its grasp. In this video, we will guide you through a proven plan that will help you become debt-free and achieve financial freedom. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Assessing your current debt situation. It's essential to start by understanding your current debt situation. Gather all your financial statements and create a list of all your debts, including credit card balances, student loans, car loans, and any other outstanding loans. Note down the interest rates, minimum payments, and outstanding balances for each debt. Step 2. Creating a realistic budget. Once you have a clear picture of your debts, it's time to create a realistic budget. Start by examining your income and expenses. Track every dollar you spend for a month to identify areas where you can cut back. Allocate a portion of your income toward debt repayment and make it a priority in your budget. Step 3. Snowball or avalanche method. Next, you need to choose a debt repayment strategy that works best for you. Two popular methods are the snowball and avalanche methods. The snowball method involves paying off your smallest debts first while making minimum payments on the rest. As you eliminate each debt, you gain momentum and motivation. On the other hand, the avalanche method focuses on tackling debts with the highest interest rates first, potentially saving you more money in the long run. Choose the method that suits your personality and financial goals. Step 4. Negotiating lower interest rates. Don't be afraid to negotiate with your creditors for lower interest rates. A simple phone call can make a significant difference. Explain your situation and express your commitment to paying off your debt. Many creditors are willing to work with you and provide lower interest rates or flexible repayment plans. Step 5. Increasing your income. To accelerate your debt repayment, consider finding ways to increase your income. Look for side hustles, freelance opportunities, or take on extra hours at work. Every additional dollar earned can make a significant impact on your journey to becoming debt-free. Step 6. Building an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is crucial to avoid falling back into debt. Set aside a portion of your income to build an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This fund will serve as a safety net during unexpected financial setbacks, allowing you to stay on track with your debt repayment plan. Step 7. Seek professional advice. If you find yourself overwhelmed or struggling to make progress, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Financial advisors can provide valuable insights and personalized strategies based on your specific situation. They can help you optimize your debt repayment plan and provide guidance on long-term financial planning. Congratulations! You've made it to the final step. Step 8. Celebrate your progress. Remember to celebrate your achievements along the way. Each debt paid off is a step closer to your ultimate goal of becoming debt-free. Treat yourself to a small reward or acknowledge your progress with a personal milestone. Celebrating your accomplishments will keep you motivated and determined to continue on your debt-free journey. As we conclude this step-by-step guide on how to get debt-free, it's essential to remember that this journey requires discipline, patience, and consistency. It may not be easy, but the rewards are worth it. Imagine the freedom of being debt-free, the ability to save for your dreams, and the peace of mind that comes with financial stability. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the steps to becoming debt-free. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and motivation to take control of your finances. Remember, you have the power to overcome your debt and create a brighter financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips on personal finance and wealth creation. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep striving for financial freedom. Thanks for watching and take care. Your financial navigator.